Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I am doing a unboxing on Boxycharm for the month of August. Okay, so I'm just going to grab out my card. And also I got some coupons. I got 20% off Smashbox and 25% off Lower Lee. So that is nice. Alrighty, so the first item I'm going to do is the Lower Lee Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. This right here. Small little cute mirror, this eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna swatch it quick and come right back. Okay, these are all the swatches for the palette. First off, the yellow I did have to dip in there with my finger about 4 times. The rest of the colors came on very, very pigmented. So I think this palette is gonna be a pretty nice palette. If you all want me to do like an eyeshadow look, comment below requesting me to do an eyeshadow look with this palette, and I will do one. But other than that, yeah, this palette does seem very, very pigmented. The next item is the Smashbox lip product. So the product that I got is the Be Legendary lipstick. It's called Made It Matte. So I already took off my lipstick, and it comes in this little cute little lipstick tube. Not tube, but you know what I mean. And you get this much product. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lips. Just trying to grab a mirror. I have not worn lipstick in so long. So this is the lipstick. Pretty red. I really, really like this color. Hopefully the camera can focus it. Please, camera, focus it. Yeah, it's like a pretty deep, deep red. I really, really like this red. And I don't wear lipstick, but this color I will definitely rock. Next is I'm looking at my list at the bottom. Ooh, I skipped lashes. House of Lashes. Okay, so the one that they sent me, I didn't particularly like that one. But, you know, it is what it is. It's these right here. They're like on a clear band and they're like separated. The reason why I don't think I'm gonna like them, I think I bought these already, and they're not dramatic. I like my eyelashes dramatic. They're like a natural almost type of thingy. This is called Bambi. But I am going to wear it. I'm not going to waste anything unless I can absolutely wear it. Next is the Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So I got 3 of these. And I really have problems with bags under my eyes. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. Like, girl, yeah, we see that. So next is the Bang Beauty. It's chocolate eyeliner. Oh, I was so disappointed with this one because it says chocolate, but it's too light for me. So I'm gonna have to give this away to my friend. I think this would fit more of a blonde. So my friend, she's a blonde, so I'm gonna give this to her. She'll be happy to get this because she used brow pomades as well. Okay, what's next? The last item is Adise. I didn't say that right. I'm so sorry. Oh, I thought this was like a clear nail polish, but this is a cuticle oil. Okay, I'm glad I read that. I would have been putting that on like, okay, it's not concealing anything. But yes, it's like a cuticle oil. I know I'm weird. I have a tendency of doing that. Any liquid. Let's see. Clinical oil. That's a nice treatment to have at home. Then I know you're supposed to rub them in because I'm wearing falsies. Fake nails. So that's all that I got, guys, in my Boxycharm. Wow, that was a very, very quick unboxing. Like, seriously. So, like I said, you know what? I think I am going to be doing a book with this. Just not today, because I don't have any time. I only have time to do this unboxing. And then with doing eyeshadow, you gotta get your face ready. You just gotta do all that. And that's like a 2-hour process. So I do plan to do this soon. So thanks guys so much for watching. If you want to see any more of my upcoming Boxycharm unboxing, makeup reviews, wig reviews, and what else do I do? And hauls. My hauls that's coming up next. I just went to TJ Maxx and I also went to Walmart. So that's not uploaded yet. It will be uploaded after these other wig reviews that I still have to upload. I just did today. That's why I don't have that much time. So thanks guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.